Hello, today we have an unboxing of the HTC ChaCha, the all-new Facebook phone from HTC. So let's take a look at what you get in the official retail box. So as we can see, it's the HTC ChaCha. So it's also known as the A810e. We've got an 800 megahertz processor, got the Android operating system, 512 megabytes of RAM, weighs 124 grams, 2.6 inch touchscreen, internal GPS, 3G, Bluetooth 3, Wi-Fi including the UN standard, 3.5mm headphone jack, 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, also a VGA front facing camera, micro SD expansion. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. So we've got the ChaCha itself, we'll come back to that in a second. So we've then got the quick start guide, some safety information, some contact information and warranty support information. We've got a white micro USB sync and charge cable. We've got the 3-pin UK mains adapter, which will connect to the power brick here, which on the end has a USB port to connect that micro USB cable to for charging. Notice again it's in white to match the colour of the device. And then we have a set of 3.5mm stereo headphones, again in white. So let's take a look at the device now. We've got a 2.6 inch touch sensitive display with touch sensitive buttons. We've got a front facing VGA camera. We've got a 4-row QWERTY keyboard. We've got a couple of menu or navigation buttons. We've got the dedicated Facebook key, which I'll come back to in a second. On the bottom of the device we've got a microphone. On this side we've got nothing, but you can see the curvature of the device to make this a little bit more comfortable when in hand and when used for typing. On the top of the device we've got the power button, a 3.5mm headphone jack, volume rocker keys, a micro USB charging port. On the back we've got a loudspeaker, 5 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash. We've got a bit of HTC branding on this nice silver strip against the white covering of the device. If we remove this bottom part of the back cover, we reveal the battery, the micro SD card slot and SIM card slot. So coming back to the front of the device, we do have this Facebook button. This is the shortcut to Facebook, to posting photos, updates and what have you. Just simply press this Facebook button and it does it all from here. So this is the ultimate Facebook phone at this moment in time. We've got this 4-row QWERTY keyboard, which has got some very well spaced keys. They feel good to type with. There's nice tactile feedback. It's very BlackBerry-esque, and if you're into your email, instant messaging or what have you, then the physical keys on here are going to be of a real benefit, coupled with the touchscreen, but you don't get quite the same sort of experience you do on larger Android devices because of the limited size of the touchscreen, but it does give you the benefit of both worlds here. So I've booted this device on before to save time, but if we take a look at it, we've got several home screens which are customized with HTC Sense and you can personalize yourself. We've got standard sort of notifications bar up the top there. Go back to the home screen, we've got ability to go through to an applications list. Now this is formed slightly different to normal Android devices because of the size of the ChaCha screen. So all your standard applications there. You'll be interested to note that this device only works in portrait mode in the marketplace, not in web pages or what have you. So when you're viewing a web page, you have to view it in landscape mode like this. I don't think you'd want to view it that way, but sometimes it's helpful if you've got that ability, but you can only do that in Android Marketplace. So there we go, that's the web browser. Like I say, the keyboard is very good for typing. I've tested that out, but just to demonstrate the Facebook button, if I simply press that button, it gives me a screen simply to update my status or post something to my wall, and I can change whose walls I write to there. I've got the ability, a quick link to the camera here to take an image or bring up an image from the gallery already. If I was to go back to the home screen and then load up the photo application, simply pressing the Facebook button at this time when in the camera application, it will take the picture, realize that I want to upload it to Facebook, and give me the ability to choose the album in which I want to store it, tag it and upload it. So this is the HTC ChaCha, the ultimate Facebook phone and messaging mobile on Android at the moment, available online at clove.co.uk.